Sarah.
And I'm Hope.
And today we're going to show you how to carve a pumpkin. So the objective, once we are finished with this video, is that you guys should be able to list the materials that you need to carve a pumpkin and the steps you take in order to do so. So first things that you need, some brain food. Okay, everybody needs some grapes. You want grapes?
Yes, absolutely. It's so delicious.
You will need a marker to draw your face on your pumpkin.
You will need the knives to be able to cut and then carve your pumpkin. You will need a bowl to put the guts in, as well as the spoon to help carve out the insides.
Alright, so the first thing we did is washed our pumpkin, and now we're going to cut the top. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line on it. And I like to leave like a little triangle, so that way you know which way it goes in. Okay. Hopi, would you like to do the honors? Also, okay, note, you should have a parent with you if you are using knives.
Where was London? Where was London? If you hear 'em howling around your kitchen door.
Once you've got the top off your pumpkin, you can take your handy dandy spoon right here and just start really digging it. Oh, okay, the spoon works great.
All I'm doing over here is cutting the guts off of the top of the pumpkin so it's not as slimy when you put the top back on it.
I'm just going to use my hand. It feels super slimy. You can keep your pumpkin seeds and grow your own pumpkins, or you can bake them. A lot of people bake them and they're yummy.
Where was London? Where was London?
Okay, so once you have cut the top off and gutted your pumpkin,
The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pick the side that you want your face to be on. Because like our pumpkin, we kind of have some like stuff on the back of it. So we aren't going to want to use this as the front of our pumpkin. We're going to use it as the back of the pumpkin. So the front of our pumpkin will be right here. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to draw what you want to carve out. That way you know what to follow. So Sarah will go ahead and do that. Harper, hop down. Sarah's going to go ahead and draw what we're going to carve out.
You want to make sure that you use like a dark colored Sharpie, like mine is like dark blue or black, so that way you can definitely see. Okay, so this is what our pumpkin will look like. Got buck teeth. Okay, so I'm going to turn it.
No, it's going to face us.
Okay.
Now we are going to just follow the lines that she drew to carve out the shapes.
This is Halloween, pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene, trick or treat. Tell the neighbors gonna die of rain. It's our town, everybody scream in this town of Halloween.
I am the one hiding under your bed, teeth ground sharp and eyes glowing red.
I am the
Okay, so now once you have completed all the steps, you should have a pumpkin that looks somewhat like this guy. We are going to name him Fred. Fred the pumpkin. We hope you guys had fun watching this and you learned a little bit along the way.
This is Halloween, pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene, trick or treat.
Tell the neighbors gonna die of rain.
It's our town, everybody scream.